In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix can't find Bluetooth error in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Explorer. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match should appear and navigate to the File Explorer. Okay, here, click on this forward arrow and click on the Open option to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and letter E key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. So here you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see this PC, and next to it you can see their C drive. So click on it and navigate to the Windows, double tap to it, and here at the Windows you need to scroll down and locate with the System32. So I can see it here, double tap once again, and here the System32 you need to locate with FS Quirt or FS QUIRT. So all you need to do is you need to locate for it. So just scroll down since there are a bunch of file or application extensions here. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down once we have find it until we find it. I mean. So I can see it here. Okay, once you have find it, please make a right click and go with this copy icon. Once you have copied it, close the window and here at the desktop, make a right click and go with this paste icon. So using this one, you can send or receive file to another PC or to another device. All you need to do is you need to send files if you would like to send it. And here you can also select any of the device that you have a history transaction with. Okay, these are devices that you have transacted in a past days or a past month. Okay, so this would be appearing here. Or you can also scan, just have to scan for another device, and in that way you would be able to send file to a specific device. Okay, another step is that you can also receive file. Okay, so just double tap once again, and in that way you will be able to receive files. Okay, just receive files, click on accept, and in that way you would be able to receive files from another device. Okay, so here you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, navigate to the left pane, you can see there Bluetooth and devices. Just navigate to Bluetooth and proceed to the switched aligning to it. So all you need to do is you need to tap on it, or if it's not tapping, just click on this the switch here where you can turn on or where you can turn off the Bluetooth. Just turn it on and your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.